You are listening to the Profitable Content Creator Podcast. This is the place where content creators come to learn how to create profitable content that positions themselves as an authority and grows their online businesses. Get ready to take your content to a whole new level with your host, Kristen Poborski.
Let's take a minute here and talk about ROI. The real return on installing an AI business team in your business. Oh, not just, oh, cool, AI wrote my email. I'm talking about 10 to 20 hours per week back into your calendar. Thousands saved on hiring, revenue increasing because things finally go out on time. Team performance leveling up without having to add in extra new hires. If AI still sounds like a productivity hack to you, you haven't seen what it really can do. Let me show you. You see, most business owners I work with aren't struggling with ideas. They're struggling with execution. You've got a great offer. People want what you sell, but everything always still depends upon you. And that really limits your growth. Emails don't go out on time. Content is inconsistent. Delivery is solid, but chunky. Your team is trying their hardest, but you still need to review every single thing. Sound familiar? So what happens? You plateau, you burn out, and you start to wonder if this is just as big as it's ever going to get. That's where most of my clients are before we install their AI business team. I used to think that, more output meant more hustle. So I tried to do more. Then I tried hiring more. Then I tried some more tools. The turning point, when I realized that my systems were the problem, not my energy. I got plenty of it. Not my effort. I got lots of that. Not even my team. I've got a great team. But when I built an AI business team to help me and my team, everything started to change. Suddenly, content was able to go out without my review. My VA had daily support and a structure she could follow. I stopped rewriting every single thing that she did. And I had time to actually stop, think, create, and grow. It wasn't magic. It was systems powered by AI. So what does ROI look like when you install an AI business team? Most clients get 10 to 20 hours per week back within 30 to 60 days. Why? Because AI now handles the repeatable tasks that used to eat up your day. Think like ideas. Here's some: writing those first drafts, updating your standard operating procedures, even creating for the first time, client onboarding emails, reminders, task tracking, scheduling, even sending out emails, writing those emails that go out, repurposing content. The list goes on and on. When AI takes the admin and the content load, you don't need to keep on hiring. One client paused a $3,000 month ops hire because their AI could take over 70% of the workload. So your launches this is how it impacts you. Your launches go out on time. Your leads, they get followed up with. Your team has a capacity now to implement, not chase clarity. Execution stops leaking hard-earned dollars. One of my clients, let's call her Tasha. She came in with an overwhelmed team and a to-do list that was never ending. Her VA was overworked. She was considering hiring another assistant, and her marketing was stuck in limbo because everything needed her review, and she was the bottleneck. We installed her AI business team in phases. We started out with her content creation team, her SOP assistant and task delegator, delivery checklists, marketing follow-up automations, and within 30 days, her team was able to cut hours a week off of manual work. Her VA said, I finally feel like I know what I'm doing every single day. And Tasha, she closed more clients, not just from the systems we reactivated, but because she had the time to do it. No new hires, just the right execution engine. So no, AI really isn't just about writing faster. It's really about predictable execution, fewer decisions, empowered team members, more output, less burnout, more dollars on your bottom line. When AI becomes your teammate, not just a tool, you stop being the bottleneck and your business can finally grow without you needing to push every single piece forward. And if you're curious what this could look like for you, let's find out. Book a free call with me and I will show you where your execution is leaking ROI, what systems we'd rebuild, and how your AI business team could save you a lot of hours per month and dollars in overhead. So click the link below. Let's build your engine and give you your business back.
You've been listening to the Profitable Content Creator Podcast, where content creators go to learn how to take their content creation to the next level. If you love the Profitable Content Creator Podcast, we'd love for you to subscribe, rate, and give us a review on iTunes. Until next time.